I could have done a better job mounting this camera and cleaning the car, but we're gonna deal with the camera today. So previously, I ran the cable through the plastic behind it, but you can see the cable's really got a lot of pressure being put on it because it's going through that crevice. We wanna wire it through the vent, and I just found out how to do it. First thing you gotta do is take out the frunk. We're gonna want to remove the frunk tub now. So there's going to be a bolt next to the wiper fluid here. There's going to be a bolt under here, a bolt under here. Underneath all of this, there's 2 bolts here, and then 2 bolts right here. And this is the cover that goes on here. You just are gonna pull it up and then out. There's just these clips that it goes in on. 7 bolts total, all 10 mil, just like their other ones. Before you go ahead and take this out, just remember that there are these little clips on the edges that it rests on, like right here is a good example. And there's tabs that go in these holes here, right here, that are in the frunk. Also be aware that there's a plug you're gonna want to remove for the frunk light right there. Watch out for that guy. And from there, look at this part. So the way to get up here is through this grommet. You're just gonna want to pull it up, and then it pulls out just like that. We're gonna fish the wire through here. We're gonna want to remove the electrical tape that is on this right here. We'll go ahead and we'll put some new electrical tape on, but we're going to fish the wire through that same hole. Also, yeah, it just fell in there, but we can grab it easily. Quite a long piece underneath there. So fresh and clean. Now we'll grab our wire, and I want to make sure there's a little bit of slack left over. So instead of using that one and passing it through, we're going to take the other long piece. I'm going to pull back some of this. That way it can protect the wire a little bit downstream more. We don't really need it right here. So now that it looks like this, the protective covering is back a little bit, we can go ahead and pass it into here. Eventually I'm gonna have a front lip. I just put this front part on, and I have some gloves propping it up because I haven't screwed it in yet. Let's go see what it looks like in the car. Now in the car, we got our awesome display right here, and we can clearly see a little bit of that front lip. You can see it's like an off gray, but that's just because of how the light is hitting it right now. But yeah, there it is. Ooh, that is a clear display. You can see there's some tape and my gloves off to the side holding it in, but you can clearly see the front lip and everything in front. So what a great camera. Oh, if you want the screen, by the way, that'll be in the description below the like button. I love this screen so much. It has a little air vent underneath, so that still allows air to get through. There's a whole bunch you can do on this. Let's go wrap this up in electrical tape and put that grommet bat and then hide the wire. I hope you got something out of that. I sure did, because I haven't seen any other videos at this point that talk about wiring a front camera through here into the Tesla. Like, there's no other videos that do it like this. I just haven't found anything. My friend mentioned about that grommet right there, and I should try that. So tried it, it works. And then after running it through here, I just ran it up here, and then I ran that cable along there. Eventually it comes out back there, and then you ready for it? It goes through this grommet right here. So just go straight in through there. You're gonna have to poke a hole in that one and then fish the wire through, but then you can just seal it with some silicone, and then you run it through the screen. Pretty simple cable run. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Again, that screen will be linked in the description below. If you want more Tesla upgrades, subscribe. You don't miss it.